Hi, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am currently in the TuckAway cabin, and we are in the living room. We'll just do a quick tutorial on the television that's in here. So yet again, this is one of those old school brick televisions. As a matter of fact, it doesn't even have a remote, but it does have all the simple functions of turning it on and off. So your power is right here. Volume buttons, channels, which you really don't want to mess with. And all currently that is available for this particular television is watching DVDs, which you'll continue to use, your stop button, your play button, fast forward and so forth, open and close. So just so that you can see, if I change it to channel 5, it does nothing. Change it back to channel 4. Channel 3. So your setting for this television is channel 4. And if you have any further questions, you can give us a call in the office. The landline phone number at DoneRight Management is 208-634-0030. Cheers.